One of the biggest fears about getting on camera is knowing exactly what to say. So in today's video, we're gonna walk you through how you can create a video outline to create videos for YouTube. What's up guys, my name is Ryan Weber and I help business owners with their video and marketing and ultimately just helping them grow their business. I work with tons and tons of business owners creating over 100 videos a month for all of the businesses that we work with. And one of the biggest fears that these business owners have is, I don't know what to say. That's why I can't create videos consistently for my business. And so today we're gonna create a video outline that you can use to make videos for your business. So this simple formula you can use over and over and over again. It works really, really well for YouTube, but it can work for ad videos. It can work for commercials. It can work for client testimonials if you use it the right way. So jumping right into it, the first thing that you need to use for your video is the hook. You need to let people know that they have landed in the right spot and that you're gonna deliver on what the title of your video is. It's not gonna be clickbait. If you go back and watch the very beginning of this video, the first 10 seconds, the first 6 seconds, the very, very first part, it lets you know exactly what this video is going to be about, who it's for, and how it can help you. By having a good hook, it's gonna grab people's attention, it's gonna draw them into your video, and it's ultimately gonna have them watch more of your video, which is what your goal is, which is why you're creating videos. After that, we want to play some sort of 1 to 3 seconds. This cannot be drawn out, a video bumper. So you saw in mine, I had a little Ryan Weber marketing little stick figure guy. He wasn't a stick figure, he's like a little cartoon character. But ultimately it's just having some sort of brand awareness. It actually means nothing in your video other than the brand awareness and the brand recognition to either have your name, your message, your colors, whatever it is that you can consistently have in every single video so they can get used to seeing it over and over again. The big thing with that is you can't have it long, you can't have it boring and drawn out. It's gotta be short, concise, and quick because all you need to do is grab their attention with, hey, this is who I am, you're in the right spot, you've seen my videos before, over and over again. After your video bumper, this is the time you can introduce yourself, let people know who you are, how you can help them, and also you're introducing your credibility. So whatever it is that you have for credibility about, maybe you have special qualifications, who you've helped, what you do to help people. That's where you should kind of introduce that every single time. That way they know they're in the right spot and that you are qualified indeed to help them with whatever problem that you've said you're gonna help solve. Now don't get too far into the weeds and go into, I have 17 years of experience and I have a PhD and master's, and because it just gets too much over time. So just quick, I've helped business owners with this, this, and this, and this is what my goal is. And that way they can know every single time, like, this is the guy for me because he does this. So in my intro, you heard me say, I help business owners with their video and marketing because that's what I do. So if you're a business owner and you're looking for video and marketing help, I'm the guy that you want to come to see more information from. Here's where you can display on the screen so your editor can display some of your other social media icons. So like down here, you probably saw, our Instagram channel or maybe our YouTube channel or our website or something, but other social media platforms, but you don't want to sell anything right now. You've literally earned nothing. Don't have a call to action. Don't ask them to subscribe to your channel yet because you've delivered nothing. I have no reason to subscribe to your channel because you've given nothing to me. Why should I subscribe? I don't know, because you've given me no value, so don't ask for anything yet. I know a lot of people will say, well, right now you should ask for a subscribe to my channel right at the beginning. Well, I don't agree with that. I've given you nothing. I've given you no reason to subscribe to my channel yet, so you have to provide value first before you have some sort of call to action. So after you have introduced yourself, now you are getting into what I call the meat. This is the thing that you're good at. This is what the video title is that they have come to your channel for. You're giving them step-by-step how-tos, tutorials. You're educating them on whatever it is that you have said you are going to tell them about. So the hook that you told them, the promise that you're going to deliver on, you're now going to deliver on that promise in the meat of the video. Make sure that it's clear, make sure that it's very specific. I like going step by step. I like doing a process I like having it very easy to follow, so it flows very well. You don't want to jump all over the place. So steps 1, 2, 3, beginning, middle, end, all of that kind of stuff just makes it very easy and consumable to know, hey, this is what the meat was. You asked how to do this. This is how to do it, and there we go. Now, a little bonus to this, about halfway through your video, halfway through the meat of your content, stop. You're gonna have a cut in, and the cut in is where you can ask for engagement. YouTube's algorithm loves engagement. Ask for a like, a subscribe, a comment, or something or other, but ask for some sort of engagement if they're getting value from your video. So if you're getting value from this video, make sure to like the video down below so I can help more business owners just like you with their questions. Hey, so if you're getting value from this video, make sure you go down and hit that little thumbs up, and then maybe share it with somebody that needs some help too, because they would appreciate it as well. Okay, back to the video. And then after that cut in, get right back into the video. But I like doing the cut in because you can get the engagement about halfway through, because if you are giving valuable topics, giving valuable answers to whatever question they have, then they can go ahead, engage with your video, and that's how you can start getting some more traction in that YouTube algorithm. So once you are finished with your meat, once you've given them the information, what I like to do is a quick summarize, boom, boom, boom. That way they can remember the main key points, or a bonus tip that they didn't get from the meat of the video. So like I just gave you the bonus tip of the cut in, that's where you would kind of give that bonus tip towards the end of the video that they had to watch to the full thing, or quick summarize, or something that they have to go to the very end to get to whatever that end topic is that they couldn't get from just watching the normal meat of the video. But do it at the very end, because if they watch to the very end, you want to reward them with giving them that clear, concise, step-by-step guide that they can follow and write down of just boom, 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 this is how I should be doing it. Now, once you've done that quick summary, now you can have a call to action. You have provided value to them, you've given them something, and you can ask for something in return. Now, YouTube loves keeping people on their platform, so a lot of business owners, and most of the people I work with get struggling with this of, go to my website, go download this, go here, go subscribe to this email campaign, or go somewhere else. The more you can keep people on YouTube and on your specific YouTube channel, the better you are going to do in the YouTube algorithm. So I like to say, subscribe to my channel, watch my other video, watch so-and-so's other video. But your goal is to keep people on the YouTube platform. The more you can keep people on YouTube, the better you are going to do in the YouTube algorithm, and your channel is gonna grow. And then from there, it's just a quick outro. Thanks for watching. Let them know when your next video is coming out, what to do, and then thank them and see them in the next video. But don't let them know, here's a big, big thing. Watching to the end, here's a bonus tip. Don't let them know, hey, we're getting to the end of the video, blah, 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 because what happens is they'll start falling off. If you tell them, oh, well, that was the end of my video, and then you have another 3 minutes of stuff, people are gonna just start leaving. So make sure you're finishing your video and you're cutting it off abruptly. So you're not having this long drawn out outro. So when I'm done, it's just, hey, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you liked videos like this, watch my other video. It's either up here or up here. I don't know which side it's on, but I will see you guys in the next video. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.